my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal Universal School, Desert. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 2. This is a class of annual term 2021 and this is our lecture number 8. Today's lecture is 8. There is no homework in our today's class. Our today's topic is ascending order part 1. It means that in this part we will learn how to arrange the number in ascending order. So at first we have to know what do we mean by ascending order. Dear students, ascending order means the numbers arranged in smaller to larger. It means that if we write the smallest number at first and then gradually larger, then the order is known as ascending order. So we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order, means we have to arrange the numbers smaller to larger. Okay, dear students, so let us see what is our today's question. Here I have written arrange the following numbers in ascending order. So we have to arrange this number in ascending order, means smaller to larger. So we can see the number at first here. First one is 7509, the second one is 7950, third one is 7984, then fourth number is 7948, and the last number means fifth number, that is 7959. Okay, dear students, to arrange this number at first we have to know the order of the digits. It means that how can we arrange the digits used in math from smaller to larger. How can we arrange? So I can show you that at first there are 10 digits used in math. Digits. The digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These 10 digits we use as numerical symbol in math, and we know the order of these digits. Here 0 is the smallest and 1 is larger than 0, 2 is larger than 1, 3 is larger than 2. So we can say 4 is larger than 3, 5 is larger than 4. 6 is larger than 5, 7 is larger than 6, 8 is larger than 7 and 9 is larger than 8. It means that we can compare these digits. Here 0 is the smallest and 1 is larger than 0, 2 is larger than 1, 3 is larger than 2, 4 is larger than 3, 5 is larger than 4, 6 is larger than 5, 7 is larger than 6, 8 is larger than 7 and 9 is larger than 8. This is the sequence. Okay, dear students. So to arrange the number we need to know this. Okay, dear students. So we can arrange the number. We can write here solution. Arranging the given numbers in ascending order. We get what we will get here. Dear students, now see, so we have to arrange this number in ascending order. To arrange the number, at first we have to compare the numbers. To compare the numbers, we have to indicate the position of the digits of the number. Here ones, tens, 100, 1000. 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 Okay, dear students, so if you observe the number here in all the numbers their highest position is 1000. Highest position is 1000. Now see the thousands position here. Thousands position is 7. 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 Dear students, here thousands position of all the numbers are same. So we can say which number is smaller, which one is larger. To say that, we need to go to the next digit. As all the digits of thousands place are same, we need to go to the next position. What is the next position? That is 100. So observe the hundreds position now. Here is hundreds position is 5, hundreds position is 9, hundreds position is 9, hundreds position is 9, hundreds position is 9. So compare the digits of hundreds position here except 5. All the numbers contain 9 is in hundreds position except the first number, So 5 is the smallest number. If you compare 5 and 9, here 5 is the smallest digit. So we can say the digit containing 5 in hundreds place is the smallest number. So we can write here 7509. 7509. This is the smallest number. So this one done. As this one finished, so we can go to the next 4 number. This one finished. Now compare the hundreds position of next numbers here. All the hundreds position are same. So we can compare. To compare, we have to go to the next position, that is tens position. Now tens position. See the tens position of this number. See the tens position of this number. What is the tens position? Tens position is 5. Tens position is 8. Tens position is 4. Tens position is 5. So now see, where is the smallest one? Here tens position is 5. Here is 8. Here is 4. So we can see here 5, 8 and 4. Tens position is 5. Tens position is 8. Tens position is 4. Tens position is 5 again. So among these digits, 4 is the smallest. 4 is the smallest. So the number containing 4 in tens position will be the smallest number among these 4 numbers. So we can write here 7948. 7948. So this is the smallest number among this number, among these 4 numbers. So this one done. Now 3 numbers left. Remaining 3 numbers are 7950, 7984, 7959. So now compare the numbers here containing 5 in tens position. Containing 5 in tens position, there are 2 numbers, this one and this one, 7950 and 7959. Dear students, here between these 2 numbers, tens position is same. So we have to compare the ones position. We have to compare the ones position. Now if we compare ones position, which one will be the smallest? Here is 0, 1 in ones position. Here is 9 in ones position. So 0 in ones position, 9 in ones position. As 0 is the smallest, so we can write the number containing 0 in ones position. So we can write here 7, 9, 5, 0. 7, 9, 5, 0. Now the next number. What is the next number? Now if we compare the remaining numbers here, 7984, 7959, here 5 is in tens position, 8 is in tens position. If we compare, 5 is the smallest. So the number containing 5 in tens position is the smallest one. So we can write 7959. This one also done. So only one number remaining, that is 7984. 7984. So we can write that number at last. That will be 7984 is the largest one. Okay, dear students. So we can see the number 7,509, 7,948, 7,950, 7,959, 7,984. So this is the required ascending order. It means here I have arranged the number smaller to larger. Okay, dear students. So I hope you have understood how to arrange the number in ascending order. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.